Hey guys, I'm sorry that I haven't been recording my channel lately. I've been just all over stuff making slime. I wanted to show you all my slimes, and I'm gonna make one slime today. It looks blue, but it's actually like grayish, and it is very sticky, if you could tell. But this is my gray sparkly slime. Let me get some of it off of me because I have a bigger batch. And then I'll put it in this container, and then I'll show you the next one. Slime is so sticky. There. Okay, moving on to the next one. It's in this container. I got my solution. I love this one. Get out of the box. This is my other slime. It's big and it's stretchy. And sticky. Let me get it off. Let me get it off, and then we will make a slime. Slime is so hard. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. This is my stepdad, everybody. Slime is everywhere.
In your head.
No!
Slime's everywhere in your head.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No. Well, let's put that aside. Okay. Now, I have here 2 sparkly blues. They're both Halloween. I don't know why. But I'm going to go with orange. And then we got our shaving cream. We got our little contact solution over here. We got our lotion. We got our sticks. And we got our bowl. First, let's add
Let me try some.
Hola. Oh. Didn't even think of that. Good idea. It's gonna take forever, but it's worth it. This is taking forever. It's not gonna fit the whole entire bottle, you know. Oh my gosh, dude.
Let's see if it'll slowly move its way down.
Yeah, it will slowly move its way down. That is enough glue. Yeah, probably will.
Time trial. How long do you think it'll take? 2 days?
No, probably like 2 hours, an hour. without it doing that. Okay. Does not like me today.
He does not like you today?
Nope.
Okay.
Sad. I'm just making a tiny batch because I'm going to add it to my big batch. Actually, never mind. I'm going to add some more. And then I'm going to add a little bit of black. They actually have more of these in stock and they're brand new. Excuse you. They're brand new in the craft store, so you could go get them. Have to decraft
It's
this.
moving!
Yeah.
Slowly but surely.
Yeah, I always say surely but slowly. I don't know why.
Looks kind of like it's taking a poop.
What did you just say?
You know what I just said.
Oh my gosh! You need to go tell that to Mom. Mom? Mom?
What?
Do I have something to say to you? It's really hilarious. And yes, I'm on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel.
Holy hello.
Yeah, I should really just have some music in the background, but that will take a while. In my next video, I will have music in the background. Check that off the list.
And the handle.
Okay, I got some slime. I'm needing it. Surprisingly, it's gonna take a lot longer than I thought. There we go. Start getting the right consistency. And I'm gonna add a little more. And it's all glossy and shiny. Comment below if you think I should do, what color you think I should do, black or orange. And hurry with the comments because I might not have any glue by then. I make a lot of slime, so yeah. There you have it with my slime. I'm going to add, I'm actually going to keep this one. Don't say it again.
Looks like an emoji now.
And no! Okay, don't think of any other ways of saying it. This is going on, that's going on YouTube, you know.
You know, Grandpa's on YouTube.
Huh?
Grandpa D is on YouTube.
He is?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Well, then I will give your company a shout out. Okay. Except soon. Not right now, though. But there you have it. You have my slime. And I will post another video in a few minutes. I just need to put on some music in the background. That's all that I really need to do. And then, thanks for watching. Give a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. And hope to see you soon. Bye.